downtown Kingston. Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush to discover boss. So today we're taking a drive through downtown Kingston. We're gonna try and drive through the market district. So I'll show you guys as much as I can. So right here is the Portmore bus park. Some of these vehicles got 3 miles as well. So it's a bit overcast. So hopefully the video is not too dark. Rain was falling earlier as well. And today is a Saturday, so lots of traffic. Both foot traffic and vehicular traffic. But we'll try and navigate through as best as possible. Lots of persons shopping. About market stuff, ground provision, clothes, shoes. So yeah, lots of stuff happening downtown right now. So this is the market district. You know, the taxi them stop any and everywhere, causing traffic. Everybody stop any and everywhere. So when last have you guys visited downtown Kingston? Let me know in the comment section. So this section has a lot of clothes. You know, them say if you want cheap clothes, you come to downtown. So yeah, clothes, bags, shoes. So the sun is being blocked by the clouds, so you know the video will be a little bit darker than usual, but I'll do my best for you guys. So if you recognize somewhere, let me know in the comments. If you have never been to downtown Kingston, let me know in the comments as well. Or if you're overseas and haven't been here in a while, let me know as well. Let me know what has changed, what remained the same. So it's just shopping, you know, all different type of items. So taxis pick up anywhere, especially when, you know, the police aren't patrolling. So we're gonna take the right onto West Queen Street. I know a lot of traffic around here, but we'll try and navigate through for you guys, of course. So lots of wholesale as well. You know, wholesale after wholesale after wholesale. Pick, choose and refuse. So like this entire road is just wholesale after wholesale. You know, some most selling food items on this road. You have other roads where it's mainly clothes items. So again guys, leave a comment. Remember to like. Remember to share. And remember, subscribing is the easiest way to support the channel as well. So definitely subscribe. So we're sitting in a little bit of traffic. Let me just try to rotate the camera a bit for you guys in the meanwhile, so you guys can see around the place. Alright, so moving again. So I hear police probably behind me, so probably traffic will start freeing up. You know, traffic tend to start moving when they hear a little siren or whatever. So we have some planting over here. A lot of persons love their fry planting. I also like when it's boiled as well. Any planting lovers watching, let me know in the comment section. One of the problems as well, there's no formal taxi stand for some of these taxis, so they just pick up people anywhere. So you have to be skilled to navigate the carts, people, vehicle. So anything you want, you can find it downtown. You just have to know where to go. Another day, I'll probably try drive through some of the busiest of busy street, both for the market in terms of ground provision and clothes. But right now it's gonna be too congested if I go down there. So you have to be watching persons crossing as well. So we're gonna go to this Sir William Grand Park, go around it, go down King Street, and then go to another section of the market. So these are just vehicles stopping the road, picking up. So selling everywhere on a Saturday, on the stoplight everywhere. But welcome to downtown Kingston. If you didn't know, now you know. People loading on the stoplight, loading on the pedestrian crossing. For some reason I'm not seeing any police. Look like the police them running from the rain, or probably they're changing shift, but taxi them behaving crazy right now. Alright, so we're at North Parade. This is where some of the JUTC buses load. So if I go straight ahead, that brings you into Crossroad. So we have the buses loading over there, persons waiting on bus. And we have the park on the right. Shoppers everywhere. So we're gonna take this left turn. Looks like there is traffic, but what are we gonna do? So we're taking this left turn onto King Street, one of the very popular street in downtown. And again, that's the park. So King Street now is more formal in terms of, you know, more official clothes store and KFC, Domino's, different restaurants. Yes, so King Street is more formal. From where we're coming from, where it's a lot of wholesale and, you know, chaka chaka. So welcome to King Street. Well, police are really missing, because I know on a Saturday downtown you see so much police. But you know, probably they're changing shift. Right now it's around 4:30 p.m. Saturday, September 16. So this is King Street, and again South Parade is over there, so you have more buses. It's another JUTC bus park. So we have Island Grill, Amar's, Joseph. Amar's and Joseph is closed store. You have Courts. So this street is more formal, but you still have persons on the outside still selling every little thing. Woolworth as well. How many of you guys have ever been to Woolworth? I think they have been around for a while. Payless shoe store. A lot of appliance store down here as well, furniture store. And as I said, a lot of wholesale owned by the Chinese. You know, if I'm guessing, probably over 200, 300 wholesale there downtown. And all are 99%, if not all, is owned by Chinese. A lot of persons still doing their back to school shopping.
Yes, you only see back to school garden at Woolworth, King Street. All your back to school items at Woolworth, King Street. If you only want to watch at Woolworth, it's not available.
A 20A bus, Kingston to Portmore Pines. That's over where Price Mart is and where the new Fontana Pharmacy is going. So we're entering Barry Street. So Barry Street now have a lot of clothes store, home, different items for the home. Try to show you guys as much as I can. without the traffic, this video wouldn't have been so long. But yeah, so we also have a few courts down here. Court of Appeal, and some is also opposite this building on King Street. We have Killarney Mart on the right, popular furniture store. You know, sometimes I come downtown and persons just take up some spaces and then use it, renting parking, you know, charging you for parking. For example, right there is a post office, you know, and that guy is gonna charge you to park there because it's a Saturday, so the post office is closed. So we're gonna go through the intersection with Barry Street and Orange Street. You know, clothes everywhere, cheap clothes, blouse, pants, undergarments. So somebody shouting out anything for $200 and $300. Blouse $200, $300. That's what they're advertising. There are some fruit vendors as well. Again, downtown Kingston shopping district. That's where we're driving today. Overcast, but the videos have to go on. So I know you guys won't get to see everything. Take this right, then we're gonna finish the video anywhere out here. So again guys, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. Really appreciate you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video. Right here, they're jerking some chicken neck, jerk chicken neck. You know, you guys ever tried that before? It's quite tasty, to be honest. You know, it's gonna be very bony, so if you don't like bone, you're not gonna like it. But it's very flavorful. You know, most people chew it up, swallow the bone, everything. So if you have ever tried the jerk chicken neck, let me know in the comments. You have been navigating people, navigate other vehicle. Hope the video is not too dark. Alright guys, see you on another video. This is where we started from. Took us approximately 22 minutes.